In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Christmas tree border in Microsoft Word. Adding a festive border is a fun and creative way to enhance holiday documents, greeting cards, invitations, or letters. Microsoft Word makes it simple to add decorative borders, and with just a few steps, you can give your document a cheerful Christmas theme. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document, or open an existing file where you want the border to appear. Once the document is open, go to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the Design tab. The Design tab contains options for page formatting, including themes, colors, and page borders. Next, locate the Page Borders button in the Page Background group and click it. This will open the Borders and Shading dialog box where you can customize borders for your document. In this dialog box, make sure the Page Border tab is selected. Here you will see options for setting the border style, color, width, and art. To create a festive look, look for the Art drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a collection of decorative border designs. Scroll through the options until you find a Christmas tree or holiday-themed design. Selecting this design will automatically preview the border around your document. After choosing the Christmas tree border, you can adjust additional settings if you like. For example, you can select whether the border should appear around the entire page, only around certain sections, or just the text area. You can also adjust the width of the border to make the trees larger or smaller. Once you are satisfied with the preview and settings, click the OK button to apply the border to your document. You will now see a Christmas tree border framing the page, giving it a festive and decorative appearance. If you want, you can continue to customize your document by adding holiday-themed images, text, or colors to match the border. This allows you to create a fully customized holiday card, letter, or invitation directly in Microsoft Word. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add a Christmas tree border to any document in Microsoft Word, creating a fun and festive design for the holiday season. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.